Fontaine, top three. Top three gonna run it down to the last one. Running and moving and making contact out there. Still in competition out there in that 44 car down there in Palmine zone.
He's got a certain amount of time that he has to hit somebody.
Needs to figure out how to get back into it, make a hit. He's got to make a hit.
Look at that. The wheels is all stuck. He's gonna get disqualified if he don't